page number 14. Now let's see, student, what new story Ishwaran is going to cook up and serve Mahendra. The place I come from is famous for timber. Ishwaran would begin. He wants to inform what? Mahendra that he came from southern state of India where there was lot of cutting of forest. Logs of wood were being transported. Okay. And that too by who? Elephants, the big tusker elephants. There is a richly wooded forest all around. The logs are hauled. Logs are pulled onto the lorries by elephants. They are huge, well-fed beasts. These elephants are huge and they are given lot of food, so they are very strong elephants. When they turn wild, even the most experienced mahout, who is a mahout? The person who sits on the neck region of the elephant and guides the elephant properly, is not able to control them. After this prologue is what? Beginning of the story. Ishwaran would launch into an elaborate anecdote. Anecdote is again a huge false story about elephants. What did he say? One day, a tusker is a nickname for elephant, escaped from the timber yard and began to roam about, stamping on bushes, tearing up wild creepers, and breaking branches at will. Unstoppable. One elephant had gone mad and is rushing violently, students, in one direction. You know, sir, how an elephant behaves when it goes mad. Ishwaran would get so caught up in the excitement of his own story that he would get up from the floor and jump about, stamping his feet in emulation. Emulation means what? Acting as if he himself was a mad elephant. The elephant reached the outskirts of the town, breaking the fences down like matchsticks. He would continue. It came into the main road and smashed all small stalls selling fruits, mud pots, and clothes. People ran helter and skelter in panic. Helter skelter? Here and there. The elephant now entered a school ground where children were playing, breaking through the brick wall. So elephant has entered a school ground and he broke the brick wall. Imagine elephant is so wild and violent. All the boys ran into the classrooms and shut the door tight. The beast grunted and wandered about, pulling out the football goal post. As there was nobody in the playground, the beast got more angry. He wanted something to uproot or break up. So what did he do? He rushed towards the goal post, because students were given a football ground too. There was a goal post. So he literally hits the goal post and tried tearing down the volleyball net also, kicking and flattening the drum which was kept for water, uprooting the shrubs. Meanwhile, all the teachers had climbed up to the terrace of the school building. According to Ishwaran, students are in the locking themselves inside the classrooms from inside. But the teachers are more afraid than students. You see, Ishwaran says teachers literally climbed up the terrace of the school building. From there, they helplessly watched the depredations of the elephant. Underline word depredations. Violent movements of destruction. Depredation, violent movements of destruction caused by elephant. There was not a soul, not even a single human being below on the ground. The streets were empty, as if the inhabitants of the entire town had suddenly disappeared. The way भी ईश्वरन अपने आप को हीरो बनाएगा, हीरो बनाएगा वो. I was studying in the junior class at that time and was watching the whole drama from the rooftop. और ये अपना शक्तिमान हीरो कहाँ पर है? स्कूल बिल्डिंग का रूफटॉप पे. अब अभी सुपरमैन तो है नहीं, उड़ के आएगा, बट देखो हीरो. I don't know what came over me suddenly. उसको अचानक क्या हो गया? I don't know what came over me suddenly. I grabbed a cane. स्कूल का हेडमास्टर से उसका पट्टी ले लिया. हाँ, उसका मारने का पट्टी लिया. I grabbed the cane from the hands of one of the teachers and ran down the stairs and into the open. The elephant grunted and menacingly swung a branch of tree which it held in its trunk. Menacingly means what? With great force, like a demon. Elephant is rushing towards who? This Ishwaran fellow. And Ishwaran, like Rajinikanth, he is coming from another direction. Elephant coming from this direction. See what a collision. It stamped its feet, kicking up a lot of mud and dust. Elephant भी बोला छोड़ेगा नहीं तेरे को. Elephant is coming towards this young boy, and Ishwaran was at that time in kindergarten, KG का बच्चा. But Rajinikanth जैसा. It looked frightening, but I moved slowly towards it. Stick in the hand. Slow motion में आ रहे हैं students. Slow motion में. People were watching the scene hypnotized. Hypnotized बोले तो captivated. जादू चल गया सब गुल. From nearby house tops. अपने छत पे से सब इसको देख रहा है हीरो को. The elephant looked at me red-eyed. लाल आँख. Elephant ताप ले ले भाव. Ready to rush towards me. It lifted its trunk and trumpeted loudly. वही elephant का पुराना ऐसा सूंड उठा के है ना elephant आवाज typical. At that moment I moved forward and mustering all my force. Mustering means gathering. पूरा शक्तिमान का भी साथ में रजनी और शक्तिमान दोनों 2 in 1 हो गया अभी वो. Whacked बोला तो जोर से hit hard its third toenail. उसका पैर का तीसरा उंगली पे अभी एम लिया जो गोटी एम लिया जोर से बजा रे ऑन द क्विक बोला तो ऐसा सट करके बजा दिया एलिफेंट को. क्या मारा? हेडमास्टर का पट्टी मारा. द बीस्ट लुक स्टन्ड फॉर अ मोमेंट. स्टन्ड बोले तो शॉक्ड. देन इट शिवर्ड. अरे कांप रहा है सूखे पत्ते की तरह एलिफेंट कांप रहे रे फ्रॉम हेड टू फुट. एंड बेचारा ऐसा एलिफेंट बड़ा सांड जैसा ऐसा देखो ऐसा ये पेंसिल कैसा गिरता देखो ऐसा गिर गया जमीन पे कुछ भी. एट दिस पॉइंट ईश्वरन वुड लीव द स्टोरी अनफिनिश्ड एंड केप्ट मम्बलिंग. बट वेरी क्लेवर ईश्वरन वॉज. जानबूझ के ये स्टोरी का मेन पार्ट पे आके वो बीच में स्टोरी बंद कर देगा. तो अपना महेंद्र भाव नहीं है पूछेगा उसको अरे आगे बता ना प्लीज बता ना फिर क्या हुआ. और वो क्या करेगा ना कमीना ईश्वरन बोला महेंद्र को आई विल बी बैक आफ्टर लाइटिंग द गैस एंड वार्मिंग अप द डिनर. मैं आ रहा हूँ साहब जरा खाना गर्म रखा है ना किचन में वो चेक करके आ तो गैस बंद करके आता. पर्पसली वुड डू दैट. बदमाश है ईश्वरन. महेंद्र हु हैड बीन लिसनिंग विद अ रैप्ट ग्रेट अटेंशन वुड बी लेफ्ट हैंगिंग. उसको ऐसा ही टिंगा के जाएगा साला तू मर सस्पेंस में. मैं आता है तेरे को स्टोरी बाकी का बताता है कैसा क्या हुआ. When he returned, Ishwaran would not pick up the thread of the story right away. लेकिन when Ishwaran would come back, Mahendra would be curious ना बता ना आगे क्या. But purposely Ishwaran would do what? He will take some more time to test the patience of who? Poor Mahendra. Mahendra would then have to remind him that the conclusion was pending. फिर महेंद्र उसको याद दिलाएगा अरे वो अपना स्टोरी खत्म नहीं किया बता ना आगे क्या हुआ क्लाइमेक्स क्या. वेल जैसे बहुत बड़ा आदमी मेहरबानी कर रहा ना ईश्वर ने उसको ऐसा बताएगा. वेल अ वेटरिनरी डॉक्टर वाज समन टू रिवाइव द एनिमल डॉक्टर वाज कॉल्ड टू क्योर द एलिफेंट. ईश्वरन वुड श्रग कैजुअली ऐसा. ईश्वरन वुड शोल्डर्स लाइक दिस. इतना भी नहीं वेट को ही बुलाएगा ना इंसान का डॉक्टर को थोड़ी बुलाएगा. 2 days later it was led away by its mahat to the jungle. फिर महात ने क्या किया उसको जंगल में ले गया. जंगली जानवर उसको जंगल में ले गया. जंगल में ही लेके गए छोड़ेगा ना. हाँ ईश्वरन के सामने मरना है क्या वापस लाएगा. वेल हाउ डिड यू मैनेज टू डू इट ईश्वरन. हाउ डिड यू ब्रिंग डाउन द बीस्ट. नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. महेंद्र इज इंक्वायरिंग ऑफ ईश्वरन कि हाउ डिड ही मैनेज टू हिट विद द केन एंड गेट दैट बिग बीस्ट डाउन ऑन इट्स फीट. नाउ झूठा एक नंबर का झूठा ईश्वरन, लायर। क्या बोलता मालूम? इट हैज समथिंग टू डू विद जापानीज आर्ट, आई थिंक सर। कराटे और जुजित्सु इट इज कॉल्ड। I had read about it somewhere. It temporarily paralyzes the nervous system, you see.